Class 10 children, today we will learn some more new important questions from the chapter linear inequation. So here I have taken one more example, but today x belongs to w. In the last previous two video, I have taught you x belongs to r. So today I am going to teach you x belongs to w. Solve and draw the solution set on the number line. So you have to solve, find the solution set and draw on the number line. My question is minus 1 by 3 less than equal to x by 2 plus 1 whole 2 by 3 less than equal to 5 whole 1 by 6, where x belongs to w. W means whole number, and whole number means the number beginning from 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. These all are whole numbers. That means negative number cannot be whole number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These numbers cannot be whole number. Whole number begins from 0 and all the positive values till infinity is whole number. In case 1, you know, we take from minus 1 by 3 and we finish at 1 whole 2 by 3. So same thing I wrote, minus 1 by 3 less than equal to x by 2 plus 1 whole 2 by 3. Now minus 1 by 3 I wrote here, x by 2 same thing I wrote, less than equal to, and this one I have arranged into improper fraction. 3 1s 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So today here I have done one special technique way. Suppose you know I have to find the value of x. Solve means find the value of x. But if I take x by 2 this side, it is becoming negative. So to avoid negative value, I am keeping x by 2 in the same place, x by 2. But now I am taking number that side. So minus 1 by 3, and this came this side and became minus 5 by 3. Now I did not take x by 2 that side because if it goes that side, it becomes negative number, and I am going to avoid negative number. So to maintain it as a positive number, I have kept x by 2 on the right hand side. Now LCM of 3 and 3 is 3, and on the top we will have minus 1 and minus 5 less than equal to x by 2. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 3, if you cancel, 3 2s are 6. So x by 2. But you know x should be on the left hand side. So I am going to bring x by 2 on the left hand side, but the symbol changed. The symbol was less than equal to. Now the symbol has changed to greater than equal to. The reason is the symbol is facing x. So when x comes this side, to maintain the same character, to maintain the same property, what happens? This symbol has to face this side, because it was facing here also. Now it should face here also. So symbol has changed. So this 3 2s are minus 2 has come this side. Now this 2 and 2 will multiply. 2 2s are minus 4. So x is greater than equal to minus 4. So I can say in case 1, the less than equal to symbol has now changed to greater than equal to. So if in case 1 symbol is changing, in case 2 symbol will not change. Now case 2, you know, I have to write from x by 2 till 5 whole 1 by 6. Same thing I wrote, x by 2 plus 1 whole 2 by 3 less than equal to 5 whole 1 by 6. Now I will arrange it first. X by 2 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 less than equal to 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. Now x by 2 less than equal to 31 by 6 minus 5 by 3. This will go that side and become minus, because plus number came this side and became minus. Now I am keeping x by 2 in the same side because it is a positive number and it is in the correct side also. So I am not going to change x by 2 from here to that side, but I took this number that side. Now LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So when 6 is LCM, 31 will remain unchanged. But here 3 2s are 6. 2s are, that 2 will multiply with 5 and will become 10. 31 minus 10. X by 2 is same. X by 2 is same here. 31 minus 10 is 21 by 6. So 21 by 6 can be now cancelled later on. This 2, I will remove this 2, and this by division by 2 will become a cross multiply and will go and multiply at the top. So my final result is 21 into 2 by 6. I am cancelling it with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 3 7s are 21. So my final result is x is less than equal to 7. So you can see the symbol less than equal to did not change till the end, because it has already changed in the case 1. So the two results, these two solutions, I have to express into one set. So that solution set is, I will write x in the middle, and -4 and -7, like -4 is smaller, 7 is larger. Smaller number we write this side, larger number we write this side. So that I have done, and both sides there is equal to symbol. So in both places I have put equal to symbol, and here I should not forget x belongs to w. Now the meaning of this solution set is, x is greater than -4 and equal to -4, but less than and equal to 7. Meaning of this is, the value of x will be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So beginning from -4 to +7. This is the meaning of this particular solution set. But x belongs to w. Negative number cannot be taken. That's why my value of x will begin from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why 7? Because it is equal to and less than 7. So equal to and less than 7 will be these numbers. But I could not take negative numbers, because -4, -3, -2, -1 also is our answer. But I could not take, because negative number cannot be taken in w whole number. And I will draw a number line. Just for namesake, I will draw 1, -1. Rest all will be positive number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 8. So I am taking one step extra, and minus number cannot be taken. So I took just -1 only, just to show the number line. And this time, look at this box, second bracket here, and you plot all these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle on these numbers till 7 and dark them all. This is how you have to do in W. Only in case of R, the way of doing the question is different. But here, as it is a W question, in this case, every number has to be darkened like this. You have to dark like this. So learn this question, children, very carefully, and try to practice these questions. Thank you, children.